This is clearly a new development in the annals of modern-day warfare in an epic hybrid format. It has all the elements of electronic, cyber, and tactical offensive action. Tuesday's extensive pager explosions across Lebanon and Syria, mainly targeting the communication devices held by Hezbollah-affiliated personnel, has claimed at least 11 lives till now, critically injuring and maiming about 4,000 more. While prime suspect, Israel's agencies have chosen to remain mum, the battle-scarred geography of the Middle East is clearly on the spiral as far as the escalation of the ongoing wars are concerned. Interestingly, Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah had asked cadres to discard the use of mobile phones and instead use pagers for communication purposes as they emit a very low digital signature. Mobile phones are far more easier to track and intercept, whereas pager technology are from an earlier generation. But the implications of the pager explosions are severe. If pagers can be used as explosive tools, much easier will it be to explode mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and other electronic devices. Several theories have emerged about what could have caused these explosions of the AR-924 model pagers. Incidentally, these AR-924 pagers were recently purchased by the Hezbollah in the past few months. Explosive devices have 5 main components: explosive charges, a trigger, detonator, battery, and the container. These pagers had all 5. The pagers could have been loaded with small quantities of explosive material before they reached the Hezbollah. These could have been remotely triggered, possibly using a radio signal from command and control centers. It amounts to a mind-boggling security breach. Initial reports say the pagers were manufactured in Hungary's Budapest by a company named BAC Consulting KFT. The other theory is that the lithium batteries in the pagers were overheated by remote means and at such a rapid pace that they exploded. When you use the battery, it gets heated. Now imagine if you overload it to its maximum level in a span of seconds compared to ours, it will explode. In a mix of human intelligence or HUMINT and TechInt or technical intelligence, explosive leaden pagers were sold to the Hezbollah and later exploded via a specific frequency. Exploits to overload and subsequently overheat the battery to cause a blast. What is scary is the extensive and meticulously planned attack which makes everyone in the planet possessing any sort of electronic device where lithium batteries are used a veritable target.